Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Wild Crystal Box by Tamed Wiled. Do you want to know what's inside January's box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my January Wild Crystal Box just arrived. This is by Tamed Wiled. And it does come in a mailer bag that I do remove. And this box did see a little bit of bumps and dips and bumps on the way. It had a little rough delivery. That's all I have to say. But nothing is out because again, it was completely wrapped in the plastic like mailer bag. So nothing fell out during transit. So that's good. So again, it's in the mailer bag. When you open it up, that is what you see. Here is the card and there are the items. So this is the card for this month. Their illustration is always so beautiful when they make their cards. And it says pyrite. I really don't like saying these words. Pyrite, carnelian, howlite, and argonite. I'm not quite sure, but it's all of those words right there. And on the back, it does go over some of the verbiage for what should be in the box, but they don't like categorize it and talk about this specifically, this specifically. It's kind of like all ran jumbled together. And I always do kind of like, not complain about it, but I say that I wish they did their cards a little bit better and more user friendly. That's my only complaint with this box, is their card is not, to me, very user friendly. So let's go ahead and see what we have. Ooh. So the first thing right on top is in this little bag, and there is a card attached, and it says carnelian, known as a stone of motivation, creativity, and strength. Carnelian is a orange colored variety of chalcedony. I have no clue. A mineral of the quartz family. Carnelian is commonly used for overcoming abuse, as it aids in trusting yourself and cleansing your thoughts. It is known for assisting one in overcoming negative conditions while encouraging steadfastness. So that's what it says on the back of that card. So let's see what this looks like. The one thing that I do really like about this subscription though, they don't just send you one stone, they normally send you two. So you normally get two different sizes, two different variations, two different color schemes. Like it's the same stone, but you get two different ones. And I really appreciate that. It's not just one and done. So here's the two different variations of the same stone that I got in this box. So this one even has like some little spots on it. And this one looks like it's like an orange color. So both of these are this carnelian. I could totally be saying it wrong, but you know, I'm learning too guys, so calm down. All right, so the next thing is this big beast right here. And this is some heavy dutiness right here. This is definitely heavy duty. So I don't know because it shows like in 4 different names, but I only have 3 different. Let me look. There's nothing else in the box, and these are the other 2 stones that I have. That is freaking gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. So it says here, inside this month's Wild Crystal Box, you will find pyrite, carnelian, and either a raw howlite stone or an argonite cluster. That explains why it says 4 different names, but we only received 3. It says, if you received a white chalky looking stone with grayish blue veins, that has got to be this, say hello to howlite. At first glance, the stone may seem rather blah compared to other sparkly gems, but part of howlite's power lies in its assuming appearance. Its pale shell is highly absorbent, and small howlite specimens can be carried on the body to soak up anger, resentment, jealousy, and other destructive energies. Try bonding this howlite through meditation. If you suffer from an overactive mind, there's a good chance that howlite has come into your life to help transmute nervous energy into something more desirable. Choose wisely. This is really heavy though. I wouldn't carry this around. I wouldn't carry this around with me. This is a big chunk and it is pretty heavy. This is heavy duty, but that is what that looks like, you guys. So that answers it. So now I know this is the raw howlite stone. If there's no howlite in your box, then there will be an aragonite cluster. So then this one must be, is this pyrite then? Again, I'm still learning, you guys. I'm trying to collect my crystal collection, and then I'm going to learn anything and everything as I can as I go, and then even after, because I have books, I have all kinds of stuff. So right now I'm basically just trying to grow my collection. So I have no clue what I'm doing right now currently, to be quite honest. But these have always intrigued me. I love the crystals and the stones and all the spiritual aspects of it. That just is so intriguing to me that they like call me. So here I am, I'm showing you my boxes. So this has to be the pyrite. It says on here, anytime you unnecessarily sluggish or wish to draw energy back into your body, press pyrite or carnelian on your body to awaken sluggish dormant chakras. Pyrite solar energy reignites the fire within the solar plexus, while carnelian cleans the kidneys and detoxifies the blood. But this is gorgeous. This is just beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Okay, so we got this guy right here. We have this big, huge, heavy duty raw stone. And then we have these two guys in here. That is everything that came in this month's Wild Crystal box by Tamed Wiled. This I did buy, I think another 3 or 6 month subscription. I can't remember, but I do pay for this one myself. Now, Tamed Wiled does have different subscription boxes. I will link them down below if you would like to take a look and see what they have. They have the Tamed Wiled box for $29. They even have it available for a one-time purchase at $34. They have the Surprise Me Tamed Wiled box at $40, which is like a mystery box. They have the Wild Crystal Monthly box, which is what I receive, and that's only $16 a month. And then you have the Wild Crystal Box one-time box for $19. Then there's also a Tea of the Month Club, which is $9. They have a Crystal Surprise Me box for $30, and they also do offer gift cards as well. So again, I will link them down below. You can definitely check out their site. So you guys let me know, what did you think of this month's box? Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Comment down below, let me know what you thought about this month's box. Again, $16, and you normally get 3 different crystals, and this guy is huge. This guy is gorgeous. And then you have these other 2 with 2 different variations. So I'm always happy with this box. So yeah, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, like I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.